In other news, a section of Jubilee legislators have asked President Uhuru Kenyatta to come clear on the party vice chairman David Murathe's recent claims that the president's Mount Kenya region is not under any obligation to support his deputy William Ruto's 2022 presidential ambitions. But just why has Murathe's 2022 slur ignited a much heated and just who is he within the Jubilee succession politics? Our political affairs reporter Murimi Mwangi interrogates.
Sisi hatuna MOU na mtu ati lazima tutamsupport 2022. Kama walisikizana hiyo na Uhuru, hiyo ni hao.
David Murathe, the Jubilee Party Vice Chair, whose latest statement appears to pour cold water on Deputy President William Ruto's 2022 political steam to State House, which in some quarters might have been anchored on this promise from his boss President Uhuru Kenyatta.
Wagojee miaka 10, Uhuru amalize kazi yake, alafu wagojee miaka ingine 10, Ruto amalize kazi yake.
But just who is David Murathe, and should Ruto's allies really be worried about his 2022 slur? Well, while Murathe's accession to the powerful post of Jubilee Vice Chair could be traced to his 2017 backroom energies behind Uhuru's TNA that eventually saw the party marry Ruto's URP in a merger that collapsed 14 political parties. The Uhuru-Murathe closeness can be retraced to the final days of the Independence Party KANU in power, as then young Uhuru took baby steps into the murky world of politics behind retired President Daniel Arap Moi. Then Vice President the late Professor George Saitoti had just defected from KANU, alongside other rebels including opposition leader Raila Odinga, under the umbrella of the Liberal Democratic Party. Without a deputy, Moi could not pick Uhuru, who at the time was his preferred successor, as the law required a VP to be a legislator elected from a single constituency. Yet then 41-year-old Uhuru was a nominated MP. At the time, Murathe dramatically offered to vacate his Gatanga parliamentary seat for Uhuru alongside then Juja legislator Stephen Ndisho. Moi, however, settled on then Sabatia MP Musalia Mudavadi as his vice president. But even then, Murathe was not new to controversy. Only a year after trouncing media mogul SK Macharia in the 1997 Gatanga parliamentary race, a letter surfaced in Parliament purportedly from Murathe, tendering his resignation as a member of Parliament. Not long after, however, another letter landed on the desk of then House Speaker Francis Ole Kaparo, also from Murathe, denouncing the resignation letter as fake. Interestingly, Speaker Kaparo found both letters to be genuine. In his ruling, however, the Speaker decided not to declare the seat vacant, but left Murathe to search his conscience. During this President Kenyatta's term, Murathe might have seemingly kick-started his controversies with this June 19th, 2017 prophecy.
In the final term of Uhuru, with anything that smells of corruption, I'm very sorry of him. I know this is somebody who will go even after his own friends like David Murathe.
This seemingly came to pass with the president's renewed crackdown on corruption in government, which incidentally got tongues wagging within Deputy President William Ruto's camp. Even then, only days after the Kenyatta 2017 swearing in, Murathe had an interesting suggestion: how Ruto should plan his 2022 lineup.
People talk about Kenya post Uhuru, at least our Mount Kenya people. They need to be clear that he's going nowhere. Or where do you think he's going at 60? Yeah? He should be around.
This statement would interestingly start debate after President Kenyatta's March 9th cooperation deal with opposition chief Raila Odinga over reports that the deal might birth constitutional changes, reintroducing the powerful post of Prime Minister, to which power brokers claim might be dangled for Kenyatta after his 2 constitutional terms as president.
I want to tell Murathe that he can spare this country of his ignorance. He has no predictive authorities. By him saying that Uhuru Kenyatta is going nowhere after 2022, he has no such authority to veto the Kenyan people to look for a space for Uhuru.